How to set iPhone camera to long exposure. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. Once the camera app is open in photo mode, you can reveal the extra settings. To do this, tap on the top center on your screen. A new menu of icons will appear at the bottom. From this menu, locate and tap on the moon icon. For the longest possible exposure, move the slider all the way to the right until it says max. The maximum time available, which can be up to 30 seconds, depends on the darkness of your surroundings. For a sharp and clear photo, it's very important to keep your phone completely still. Using a tripod is highly recommended for the best results. Following these simple steps, you can easily set the camera to long exposure on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.